Hello, new students. This is Martin, your instructor for the Trading Currencies Learn Forex course, and welcome back again to video number 3. This one we're going to explore a little bit more in depth the MT4 trading platform. So that's what this video is all about. And we're going to have some fun, look at the actual platform, what some of the functions are, and then we're going to even play some buy and sell trades so that you can see how everything works. Okay? It's very important to learn how to use your trading software. Before you can place your first buy or sell order, you have to know which buttons to use. More importantly, you have to know all the different parts of your trading software known as MT4. Understand what all the tabs, buttons, windows, and toolbars are and how they function. Now here's the best part. MT4 platform is actually very easy to use. You'll see that very shortly once you start using it. All the functions make sense and you should be able to understand things fairly quickly. Keep in mind that all the price bars on the charts are moving in real time and you will be able to see the results of your trading activity instantly. Isn't that fun? Okay, let's take a look. Now, before we take a look at the different parts of the trading software, I just want to review some of the important things that we discussed in the last video, namely changing the look of the charts. And as you can see here in front of you on the video, we started off with the 4 charts and we changed the look of each one of them. And this is what we want to end up with. So instead of seeing charts that are dark with lots of squiggly lines and unnecessary information, I'm going to switch down to the US CAD and I will maximize that and take a look. And so that's what we want to do, is end up with something that looks like that. Okay. So this is the US CAD daily, and I'm going to go to the different settings. Going to go to properties here. Okay, and you can put this video on pause. This is what you want your settings to look at. Okay, again, let me switch that off. Right click when you have a dark chart and you want to change the look of your chart. Right click on the chart. A menu comes up at the bottom. Click on properties. And a window for the properties of the particular chart you're looking at will pop up. This is exactly what you want to check off. You can see over here, and this is under the Common tab. So do this first. Make sure your chart is checked off exactly as you see here, including the candlesticks button. Make sure that is that's checked off as well. Okay. Then you go to the Colors tab. This is exactly what you should be changing. So you can see for the background, foreground, grid, for all the different options, this is what you have to do. Change each option until you see it exactly like this. And then once that's done, click on OK. And this is what you end up with. Now, the next thing is to change all the charts. And I remember I told you that we were to create a template. So we previously created a template, and again, right click, template, and we created a template called the 821 strategy. So we're going to do that with starting with this one here. This is the US Swiss franc. Right click. Click on template, look for 821 EMA strategy, click on that, and that changes. So the US Swiss franc changes to that. Now the Euro USD, again, right click, look for template, and then click on the 821 EMA strategy. Okay, we've got that. And do that with all your charts. Okay, so do that with all your charts. Again, I'll do that with the British Pound USD. Okay, I'm now going to pause the video for a second. I'm going to do all the charts. Okay. Okay, so far I've changed all these charts, the Euro USD, the British Pound USD, the USD CAD, the USD Swiss franc, and the USD Japanese yen. We actually need a total of 7 charts again to bring in new charts, and once I'm finished, we'll review the bottom again, what the 7 most important charts are. So we want to click on Window, New Window, and this time we're going to look for the Australian USD. Click on that. That comes up like a default chart. Right click on that. Look for template. Look for the template you created, which was previously the 821 EMA strategy. Click on that, and that's terrific. So now, take a look again. I'm going to move the charts at the bottom. I'm going to click on that and drag it until you can see the box, until it comes after the British Pound USD. So now we've got Euro USD, British Pound, the Australian USD, and we have to add one more chart. There are 7 major currency pairs to trade. That's the only thing. Those are the only 7 pairs that we're really interested in trading at the moment. So again, click on Window, New Window, and this time we're going to look for the New Zealand dollar USD. I cannot find it here, so click on Forex. When you click on that or hover your mouse over that, you will see all the currency pairs that are available on this trading platform, and look for New Zealand. There it is, New Zealand USD. Click on that. You've got a default chart. We're going to change the look of the chart to the way we want to view them properly. So right click, click on template, and find the 821 EMA strategy. Fantastic, we've done that. And now we want to move this, and you can do that with you can move them in any order you want. But on my particular charts, I've set them up in this order. So click on the New Zealand USD, drag it, and that comes after the Australian USD. Okay, so now in order, we've got the 7 charts. We've got the Euro USD, the British Pound USD, Australian USD, New Zealand USD, US CAD, US Swiss franc, US JP. I'm going to pause the video. These are 7 major currency pairs, and the next part, we're going to look at the different parts of the chart and how to place some simple buy-in and sell trades. Okay, everyone, we're going to look at some live trading and how to place the orders. You can see on your screen, first of all, up here is a toolbar with the time frame. So if you can switch to 2 different time frames. Each price bar here is 1 minute. I just clicked on that. Okay, so you can see each price bar. So in 1 minute, price moved from here to here, and you can see the price. If you go look to your right hand side, that's the exchange rate of the British Pound USD 1 minute chart. If I switch to the daily, let's just do that, you can see yesterday price was up from here to here. White price bars means that the ending price at the end of the day was higher than it started, and today price has really just gone sideways. It really hasn't moved that much. That's why the price bar is smaller. But go back to the hourly chart, you can see in the last hour prices moved higher. White bars mean price is going up. Black bars mean price is going down. Switch to the 1 minute, and I'm doing that purposely so you can see price actually move in front of you. Volume right now is very low because we're near the end of the trading day and the trading week. It's now 4:19, 19 minutes after 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, Friday afternoon. And trading comes to a close at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So keep that in mind. Friday trading closes at 5 p.m. and it does not start up again until 5 p.m. Sunday evening. And then once it starts on Sunday evening, it's open 24 hours from Sunday evening 5 p.m. all the way again to next Friday 5 p.m. Okay, so here if you want to see and test to see if your charts are working, just go down to the 1 minute time frame and you can see things moving. Also take a look down here. This should be moving as well if there's any activity. Right now it's really slow. You could also take a look here on the left side under Market Watch, okay, and you can see some of the numbers jumping up and down. Okay, let's place a buy or sell trade. Okay, right click on the chart, very easy. Go to trading, new order, click on new order, very easy. Sell or buy. What do we want to do here? Let's say we want to buy, so I just clicked on buy. Not much is going to happen because, like I said, we're almost near closing time, but I clicked on a buy just to show you, and click on OK. Trade is successful, and if you want to see your trade, look down below in the terminal window. Right here, terminal window, and your trade, we took a buy trade. It's a one standard lot, British pound USD, at this price, and right now in real-time prices here, and we're down $16, and we'll explain that as the course goes on. You're always going to be in a negative the moment you open your trade because there's the spread. The actual broker has to take its it's not a commission, it's their fees are taken from the spread between the bids and the asks, and that's why you're always in a bit of a negative position. Okay, so now this is important. If you want to close a trade, so first of all, going back to open a trade, you right click on the chart, look for the trading tab, look for new order, click on new order, and you'll get the buy sell window opening up, right? Okay, so now I want to close this trade. Let's say I'm not happy with the $17 I've just lost, but that's okay. We're just experimenting, showing you the different functions of the chart, and the idea, it's not important to whether you're winning or losing on this is a demo, free demo trading account. The idea is just to push all the buttons and see what happens, get to understand everything. So to close the trade, we want to go down here to your actual trade order in the terminal window, right click on that, see it highlights it and causes it to become blue. Okay, and then you look here, close order. Okay, close order. I'm just going to wait for a second, see if this becomes a bigger white bar. Remember, this is a 1 minute window, a 1 minute time frame, and its price is going higher. Price hasn't moved much. You can see the dollar, the profit or loss right here on the right hand side of your trade order. This is called an open position. You have an open position, and so we're down $17. And for the purpose of this training video, let's just close the trade, close order. Oh, just a second. We're going to, there we go, close. Okay. We close the order. You can see it's free and clear. We started off with $50,000 in the account, and we're down to $49,978 because we lost a few dollars in that quick trade. Now, if you want to see the account history and what happened, we always have this button open on the trade button here, but go to account history. You can see where my mouse cursor is, account history. And there we started off with a balance of $50,000. That was our initial deposit when you open up your free demo trading account. And now we closed our order, and we had a $22 loss. You can scroll up and down here, $22 loss. So our balance is now $49,978. Okay, so let's go back to trade. Look at the mouse cursor, the bottom left-hand corner. Click on the trade. Let's, wow, price really moved down. Let's click on another trade and perhaps a sell. So right-click on the chart, trading, new order, and let's go sell by market. Okay, so I